A 63-year-old man crashes his truck, stumbles out, and tells cops he's got nothing but respect. But what happens next tells a very different story.
Stay in the car. Hey, stay in the car. Stay in the car. Stay in the car.
No, you're all right.
Stay in the car.
Bro, I get nothing but respect.
Stay in the car.
Nothing but respect. No, just
Stay in
sit
the
down.
Don't say one Flagler, 1050. And give me a 1069 code 2 at 1405 Saloon.
Oh, for Christ's sake.
Shut the car off. Shut the car
All right,
off.
I'll shut it. Whatever you say, man.
Okay, you know what? Just step.
Huh? We want to step out?
Stay right there, okay?
Okay. You got a cigarette?
No. Don't. Let me see your hands. Stop moving around.
I got no weapons,
okay?
brother.
Stop moving around. Okay?
No weapons. I swear to Christ.
Okay.
I'm
Stop
a Christian.
moving around. Okay.
I ain't bothering.
Relax. Okay.
I want a cigarette.
Relax. Stop moving
I
around.
just want a cigarette.
Okay.
Man.
You see what just happened right here?
I'm going to jail. I know.
You know what? Just step out. Just step out.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I know. Arrest me, man.
Step out.
You know, I'm used to
Step
it.
out.
I've been.
Stop moving around.
I'm not bothering
Stop
you.
moving around.
Arrest me. Go ahead. No, I'm not mad. Fellas, please. I'm 63, man. I've been arrested a lot of times.
Stop moving.
Just arrest me.
Stop moving around,
And
man.
I'm not mad. I don't want to get beat up, okay? Can you feel me? I suffered for a lot.
Put your hands together like you're praying.
No, I'm not doing nothing, man. Yo, you're old.
Relax.
Man.
Relax.
No, you know I'm not trying to do nothing, right?
Okay, but you're not listening. We're
Why are
asking.
you listening?
You're not. We're asking you to relax, and you're all moving around. Just knock it off.
I'm not trying to bother nobody, man. I've suffered so long, man. Just take my car.
Stop.
I'm not doing shit, man.
Relax, man. You're saying you're moving around.
Nobody, man.
But we're trying to
Put me in your car and take me
Relax.
away.
I'll turn one Flagler. One whiskey, my
Stop.
Please don't fucking beat me up.
Nobody's trying to beat you up, but if you just listen and stop moving around,
saying,
nothing will happen.
Stop moving around.
Stop moving
All right,
around.
so I'm a little bit fucking boisterous.
All unit, unit 1033 is
I
clear.
ain't doing shit. I ain't doing nothing.
221,
I ain't doing nothing. I had a couple drinks.
Alpha 313, 314, I'll show you back 10-8.
You almost crashed right into
You
me.
know what?
Stop.
No, just take
go.
me
go in
to
the car.
jail. All right. Tell my truck.
Come on. Stop. Just keep
I
moving.
ain't doing shit. Don't start with the stop and fucking throwing me around.
All right.
and
Is
shit.
there anything that's got to poke in your
No,
stomach?
just put me in the fucking
Is there
car,
anything that's got to poke in
and
your
I'm
stomach?
happy.
Is there anything that's
Put
got to poke
me
in
in
your
the fucking car.
All right.
I got nothing. Listen, man, you guys take your time. All right, watch my dough.
No, it ain't going
nothing.
nowhere. I don't know.
I'm not. Look at all this.
Up here.
Holy
Spread your legs. Spread your legs.
I do got some shit.
Spread your legs.
All right, I'll spread my legs.
I swear.
All right, bring me to jail. Bring me to jail, then I'll be safe, because you guys are fucking rough. Yep. Here we go. What did I do? What else you got?
Hey, he's single for
Can I get a cigarette? Yo, can I get a cigarette, man?
No.
I'm fucking dying over here.
All right, in the car.
I have it all my shit up there.
It's going to be in the bag. We're going
You
with
gonna
you.
put it in my property?
Yep. Sit down. Sit down.
I'll sit down.
Then
Sit down.
All right. You know, wow, you guys are serious as a fucking heart attack.
Yeah, well, when you crash
I'm
somebody
from
in the
fucking
car, you
Jersey,
almost
man.
crashed
I
into
Okay,
me.
where you're from, get in the car. Get in, please.
No, I'm respecting you.
Well, you're not listening, so you're not respecting.
No, I'm respecting you.
So get in the car, please. Thank you.
Fucking A, boy.
Watch your
You ever
feet.
been in Newark?
Watch your head.
I was just driving along, and this guy almost T-boned me. And apparently, he crashed into somebody in there.
Bunnell 24 Flagler County 28 on the vehicle.
They don't. Sunday fun.
10-4, go ahead.
Yeah. I knew he was sitting there one. As soon as he stopped there, he was
Lima
walking
Echo
around.
Hotel Victor 76. No 24 South Side.
ID card.
Bunnell 24.
What do you help with, man?
Can you tell 55
Apparently there is a crash happened with this guy back there, so I don't know if somebody's...
They're out there now trying to work that out.
Okay, cool.
So they're hashing
Golf
it out.
125
that's it, really.
113 998 030.
So I gotta work the 4 and 701 here. And
10-4,
he lives right across the street, too.
I missed a lot of it. I kind of pulled up at the end. They did not want to do.
Oh, no, I didn't even know about the crash.
Gotcha.
They just came up to me and told me I was dealing with him. What's up?
No, man. Listen, man. I ain't got no problems with nobody, man.
Okay, I'll talk to you here in a little bit, okay?
Listen, no, I've had a lot of problems.
Are you
I've
Raymond?
suffered a fucking lot, man.
Are you Raymond?
Yeah, but I'm trying to fucking do
Okay.
good.
All right, man. Just relax, okay? We'll talk to you here in a little bit, okay? Just give me a few minutes. Give me a few minutes and we'll talk to you. Do you need to be seen by a
No, I don't
paramedic?
want to talk to nobody. I hate everybody, man.
1054, 1039P, reference to 20
Listen, wait,
Florida.
Great. I'm not gonna see my 20 here and now. Yes. Bunnell 21 teletype. 1048. Hey, B. What's going on with the 4 over there?
Huh?
What's going on with that over there?
So they're saying the one in the white and then the one in the sweater.
Okay.
That's her car.
Okay.
And I was parked beside the blue SUV, and he backed into it. You can see like where the damage is and the paint came off.
Okay.
Backed into it, and then came out this way.
You want to do a crash report or?
That's all I was getting ready to ask her.
Oh, okay, gotcha.
Ask you if whatever is he gonna do? Is he gonna?
Well, he's definitely going for Sentinel 1 because there's no way he's going to be doing FSCs because he's over here being combative.
Yeah. Hey, you know you're on a registry now with that Sudafed.
Yeah. Isn't that great? Still cold? Oh, yeah. Okay.
LCHD76 on a white Ford Super Duty.
Copy.
I'm on scene for now. Copy 28 on the other vehicle.
10-4, go ahead.
Charlie Foxtrot 4, 1 Romeo Delta, CF4, 1 RT on that.
10-4.
I'll go ask her what she wants to do real quick.
Okay.
Hey,
Still on?
Going off for discussion.
Joseph Amato was arrested and charged with 3 counts: DUI, resisting an officer without violence, and driving with no Florida license ever issued. He refused a breathalyzer. A half-full, still-cold Coors Light was sitting in his cup holder the whole time. If you made it this far, drop a like and subscribe. Watch the video playing right here in the center right now and find out what happens when you think you're smarter than law enforcement. Subscribe to Police Action Cam and hit the notification bell.